Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today we shall be making a recipe that is a hot favorite with everybody, especially kids. That is Eggless chocolate brownie. A popular baked dessert so delicious that as you take a bite, you will love the flavor and texture. So let's get started. I have taken half a cup of dark chocolate cut into pieces. Now using a double boiler method, I shall melt the chocolate. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now add half a cup of butter to it. Stir it continuously to form a smooth mixture. Now place a sieve on the bowl. Add 1 cup of refined flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 cup of sugar powder. Passing it through the sieve into the mixture. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it nicely so that there are no lumps formed and we get a smooth creamy mixture. Adding half a cup of milk little at a time. Now line a square cake tin with butter paper. Brush the paper with a little butter and pour the mixture into the cake tin. Spread the mixture evenly with a spatula. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts on the top. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. Now we shall cut the chocolate brownies into squares. Our eggless chocolate brownie is ready to be eaten. Do try out this awesome recipe at home for all your loved ones and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe, till then, bye bye.